Today we're going to show you how to make these bright and fruity watermelon sugar cold processed soap bars. Inspired by the fresh colours of watermelon, this fun summer soap not only looks beautiful, but also creates a rich, creamy lather. Let's get started by making the lye solution. Weigh out 380 grams of distilled water into a heat-safe jug. Then slowly add 143 grams of sodium hydroxide into the water, while stirring carefully until fully dissolved. Remember, always add lye to water. Never water to lye. The mixture will become very hot and release fumes for a short time, so allow it to cool safely in a ventilated area. Now it's time to prepare the oils. Weigh out 500 grams of olive oil, 300 grams of coconut oil, and 200 grams of shea butter. Combine all the oils into a heat-proof bowl or jug and add to heat using your preferred method until the oils have fully melted. Allow both the oils and the lye solution to cool to around 35 to 45 degrees Celsius. Ideally, you want both mixtures to be within a similar temperature before combining. Once both mixtures have cooled, carefully pour the lye solution into the oils. Using a stick blender, blend in short bursts until the soap batter reaches a light trace. Now add 30 grams of watermelon sugar fragrance oil and gently stir it through by hand, or use very short bursts with the stick blender to avoid thickening the batter too quickly. Next, divide the soap batter into 3 separate portions. The first portion will be coloured green for the watermelon rind. The second portion will be coloured white using titanium dioxide, and the final portion will be coloured red using the liquid dye. Make the red portion the largest, since this will be the main part of the design. To create the watermelon seed effect, sprinkle poppy seeds into the red soap batter. You can leave some on top, or gently swirl a few through the mixture for a more natural look. Now it's time to assemble the watermelon layers. Start by pouring the green layer into the mould first. Next, pour a thin white layer over the top. Finally, add the red layer to complete the watermelon design. Using a spoon or spatula, gently texture the top of the soap. This adds a soft handmade finish and gives the bars a little extra character. Once you're happy with the design, cover the mould and leave the soap undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours, or until it's firm enough to unmould safely. After unmoulding, cut the soap into bars. Then place the bars in a cool, dry and well-ventilated area to cure for 4 to 6 weeks. This curing time allows excess water to evaporate and creates a harder, longer-lasting bar of soap. And that's how you make these beautiful watermelon sugar cold processed soap bars. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more soap making inspiration.